Seven Bros. And
Expert player cars.
Expert player go subscribe. And we're going to be making weird noises in Audi, as you can hear. I'll do one.
Let me hold it.
Yay! I'm just getting ready. See if you guys stack weapons. So, one time are you buying anything?
Daddy! We just keep walking around.
Oh! No, guys, don't tell. I should just record random people. Stop, actually, stop. Wait. I don't know. Yeah, I'm daring myself to do this. Wait. Ow! Okay, Dad. Oh, Daddy! Daddy! Don't do that. Don't actually get me anymore. I don't want.
One more.
No.
What? There's security cameras.
Oh, yeah, I know. Sweetheart, don't kick me. Say it. Put your hand out if you think we're savages. Oh, and for next year. Wait. There's a fort down there. Let's go, Dad.
And he's going to go on How you going? Wait.
Do it. Ow!
That's a bad item. Money.
Stop it.
Money. And then the baby's laughing.
The baby's just laughing. He's looking so so actually, what are we going to get here at the stop? So, okay, you said one more time. That's all.
Oh, show me. Oh, you make them look at me. Hey, Daryl.
Oh, I swear, I cut myself. Yeah, I did when I got nail cutting to my own nail.
Where do you want to go?
I'm the
Can I
what?
have the camera?
Wait, what food are we gonna get in? Yeah.
I'm not sure. Let's go check. I have $10.
Don't drop it.
Bye bye.
No, actually, what are we gonna do, guys? We're training here to get food.
No, just make a video. We walked the berry rat. What is it? Let's go to the food aisle.
This exercise is like if you become a watermelon. no, actually, we need to order.
I want fries. Wait, I want chicken. I want fries. I want jelly with. What is that? I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna feel comfortable.
Shoot.
You want break it? What food should we get? No, you already said you do it no more times. Wait. What? No, where is...
Just one day, you can help me get on the treadmill. Your mum will say something. Your mum is so fat. When she said Walmart, she lowered the prices.
Do
You want to do it?
what?
The Series 7?
On where? Oh, pick your own.
No, pick your own of one of these. You can get,
No, can I get a dreamy bar instead?
on one.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Guys, I'm getting Titan because I'm a Titan.
I'm getting done because I'm a Titan. Kit Kat.
Oh, that's exciting. So we'll get the Titan. What'd you get? Kit Kat.
That's it.
What are these?
I've got a cocksucker.
What are these?
I'll give you a manchon.
I swear we're gonna get in trouble. Anyways, just for walking around them. I got. Well,
We're walking around these circles.
well, do you want me to tell you a story? So after we did the fort, I was just walking around with Sophie, and like we got kicked out. Yeah, here. Thanks, Dad. You already saw a Kit Kat.
Bye, Sarah. I'll see you outside.
Oh,
What did you get?
the Titan. Team Titan, go.
I got these. The 2 lollipops. I got watermelon strawberry.
Cooper got a Titan. Wait, who's getting? Are you getting the Dreamy? Do you want to swap?
No.
Arigatocito, cut. Guys, we're leaving now, so I'm getting a drink.
What? Seal, we'll see you outside, okay?
Where's he going?
Drink. Oh yeah, I'll see you. I'm getting a drink as well. I'm getting a drink. No,
You can't, Cooper. Right, so we're at the already.
Oh, it's all the way up there.
Well, also, if we get on this video, let's go 15 likes. Oh, no, we'll do 20 likes. That's a lot for us, but it's like 20 likes, and then we'll do treadmill. Like with the other two. We're gonna get scarred for a while. What's the time?
Sugar free.
Right, I gotta go home after this.
What time is it?
So you guys, we'll get back to you once we're done.
What? Walking on it? No. We can stay at your place. Honey? We can stay at your place. What time is it?
Oh no, I have to get ready to go. We're going out to something at Maryville by 5.
What time? What's the time? What's the time?
4:20. Oh, 4:20.
4:20. We probably came to Addy at like 5, not 5, like
4.
3.
No, it's 4.
No, 3.
No, it wasn't 3.
Yeah.
Maybe. We'll tell you when we're out, okay? We'll get back to you. To this lady.
All the money. Look, all the money is there. With all that money. That's okay. Pretty a lot.
You guys do a good job, don't you? Here.
9.
Good job, Cooper.
9. All of this is mine. No, I'm joking.
Guys, guess what? Cyril just made it out and he stole Kit Kat.
Why did you still have that?
Kit Kat?
Give me my chocolate.
So guys, let's wrap. Guys, let's end it. So guys,
Suck my dick.
thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. If we get 20 likes, we'll come back in here and do a treadmill video on the thing. So yeah, peace.